Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make restaurant quality foods or better. From my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and do not change from this channel in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Today, as you can see on the chopping block, I got a whole bunch of stuff, so we're going to just hook up some stuff. My cousin came through. We decided we're going to make us some nacho tacos for the fam. Okay, so what I have here is some cheese in the can, right here by Gordon. And Gordon's chips right here, tortilla chips. Have some tomatoes. We're gonna make some pico de gallos with those. And then, you know, so we're gonna make nacho tacos. We need some lettuce for that too, right? So I got some jalapeno peppers right here. And then this bag right here, I'm gonna show you what that is. Now, I have this in the refrigerator for about 2 weeks. Now I'm going to show you the purpose why I got it like this. See that? This is cilantro. You see how fresh that still look in 2 weeks? So guys, all you have to do is take your paper towel and wrap this stuff up and then put it back in the bag. And it'll stay fresh. Because the moisture what kills your vegetables. Okay? So remember that. This is a little tip for you guys. So, yep, I might leave that outside the bag. I have lemon right here. Have a lime, kind of beat up a little bit, but hey, we just want the juice. I have some onions. I'll show you the garlic, I think. And here's some cheese. We got some sour cream, 2 of those. Some black beans right here. And we got 2 of these, what is 2.5 pounds of 80/20 ground beef right here. And of course, guys, do go check out the seasoning for this is gonna be my taco seasoning. Alright, so go check that out. This seasoning is off the chain. So I got some black pepper and some salt. Alright, and then we probably take some green onions or something and chop it up on there. Alright, I ain't gonna show you guys all this today because if you want to see me make any type of nachos or anything like that, I already have a link down below. Okay, so check down below and go ahead and click on that and I'll show you how to do all that. But I will show you this at the end when I get done making it. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back and this is how you make nacho tacos right here, one-on-one. So yep, show you a closer look. Up on here. All right. Okay, guys. As usual, and I do have sour cream. Well, I ain't gonna put the sour cream on. I just let the people put it on there as they go. I got 2 of those. All right. Alright guys, as usual, since I can't put my bell down, put it up over here. Haha. Anyway, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to, that's right, make sure you hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen in a minute.